from Dough Hands. I'm in the kitchen with Woody Oven today and we're going to be cooking up some of my favourite bits from the Dough Hands menu. The first pizza we're going to be doing is the Shroomy 2.0. It's a mix of chestnut and shiitake mushrooms which get cooked up with a bit of soy sauce and olive oil in the oven. Like, obviously it's a pizza oven, but at the end of the day it's just an oven, so there's endless possibilities of what you can cook in the oven basically, and it's like really, really hot cooking. You've got the open fire, you end up getting really nice like little caramelised, charred up bits. So we're going to go on first with the Samazano. Really, really sweet, not acidic. So yeah, I'm a big fan. So we're going to go Samazano for your latte. And those mushrooms that we've roasted up. I've got some garlic oil and taleggio. Proper whiffy, but in a good way. Adds sort of like a nice funkiness. And super creamy as well. I'm just gonna finish with some tarragon. Tarragon and mushrooms is actually a match made in heaven. Dust the peel off so that the pizza doesn't get stuck. And then just give it a little shuffle. So yeah, I got into pizza at uni really. Got a job as a pizza chef. I basically just like fell in love with it. With pizza, I always knew that I wanted to have my own spot, and yeah, Dough Hands was sort of born out of lockdown. Okay, this is ready. So I'm just gonna finish it with a bit of Parmesan and hit the crust with a bit of oil. And that's it. Shroomy 2.0. Oh, hot.